As I shared earlier in the day today, gold has taken a support at 1760. If you recall, in morning I had told go short at 1765, but it will get a support at 1760, and precisely it is trying to bounce back from here. Similarly, Dow Jones has got the resistance at 31050, the same levels I had told you in the morning itself. Now, what is going to happen today with the US cash session? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We will decide the trading strategy and the entry levels as well. Do listen to it carefully. Do watch till the end. First, we'll look into gold, then followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end, Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. See, gold on the hourly charts has in fact is trying to get this lower lows, but the support at 1760 is very strong on the early charts. Also, if you look at this, there is a support at 1760, and the Bollinger Bands, bottom of Bollinger Bands and the Donchian channel is also lying at around 1760. The next resistance it will get at around 1766, 67 and 1772. If it breaks past 1772, 74, you can go long. This was the target I have given you today morning also, and same I am going to keep the same status. Go long above 1774, go short below 1760. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green. RSI near to oversold levels, indicating that probably we may see a little reversal. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, it is trying to reverse, but it can, because this is the second and probably a third red candle may follow, and hence I'll be watchful of 1760. Beyond 1760, it will give you a very good fall till towards 1750 and below levels. See, this is a consolidation and it is trying to reverse. Probably we may see a equally big red candle where 1750 and 1740 levels cannot be denied. So be watchful of 1760 levels. Below that, definitely we can expect a good fall. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is near to oversold. MACD trying to converge. RSI is oversold. So see, couple of indicators are oversold, and hence we can expect a reversal, but be watchful of 1774 and 1760 again. See, it is trying to drop but getting the support. Now, if you see it trading below 1760, just go short. 1750 is the next target, and if it breaks below 1750, we can expect further fall. On the upside, beyond 1774, you can expect 1781-80 zone and then 1785-86 zone. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to bounce back. MACD is bearish, trying to converge, and RSI is oversold. See, RSI is oversold. Stochastic is near to oversold levels. That is one observation. Look at the 4-hour charts, and you can find there is a resistance here at 1770 levels. So if you see if trading above 1770, 1774 levels, definitely that is the time one can go long, and then one can expect a strong reversal. How far it can go, I'll expect it to come back till towards 1780, 1790 levels. If it trades beyond 1774 levels, then and then only. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD white divergent bearish. RSI oversold, indicative that probably we can expect a little reversal from here. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, it is seen the bottom at 1760, trying to reverse from here. If it continues to trade above 1760, and if you see it trading above 1774, go long, and then one can expect little more greenishness. It can give you a rise till towards this zone and then again come back to 1780 levels. This is my expectation, but be watchful, be cautious, and do trade with strict stop loss. Now, if you look at the direction movement is wide bearish, extremely bearish, and hence it requires a convergence there. Stochastic is near to oversold, trying to enter into oversold zone. The MACD is wide and divergent and indicative of bearishness. RSI is oversold, hence a bounce back is can be expected, but I'll be watchful of today. You can go short at 1760 now. Those who are sold at 1765 now can go short at 1760, and below that you can expect a good fall. First nearby support at around 1757 and then 1750 levels. That major target, major support is at 1750. It may try to achieve those levels. In fact, can drop till towards 1740 levels. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, because 1760 is a good support, you can expect it to bounce back, and yes, from here probably once it is above 1768, you can expect it to hit 1772-74 zone, and beyond 1774 I'll look forward for it to hit 1781 and 1790 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Do trade with stop loss. It can reverse any point of time. So trade with caution, trade with trailing stop loss. And now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 has got the resistance. It has completed the rise there. Higher highs are done. Now it is trying to look at higher lows. Probably my first target is going to be at 11,650 and 11,550 levels. It can try to achieve this. In fact, 11,500 should provide a very strong resistance. Any long entry is only above 11,850 levels. Till the time it trades below 11,850, I will not recommend you to take any position. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over for a sell entry and it is divergent, indicative of bearishness. RSI is sloping downwards, indicative little bearishness. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly it is trying to give you lower highs and lower lows. It is trying to trade in this. There is a strong support at 11,650. Be watchful of that. Once it breaks below 11,650, there are supports at 11,580 and 11,550 levels. Be watchful of this. If these two are taken, we can expect 11,480, 500, and then below that a good fall can be expected. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, consolidation here, trying to look forward to a reversal. Yes, you can take a long entry at 11,800, 1020 also, but then there is a resistance at 11,850 and then 11,900. Very strong resistance at 11,900, 950 levels. If it breaks past this, there is going to be a stronger rise for 12,100. Be watchful of this. On the downside, there is a support here at 11,650 and 11,600 levels. Be watchful of this. Below that, yes, you can expect a good fall till towards 11,500, 11,400 levels. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought. It is looking downwards, and MACD is also trying to converge here. It is right now in a bullish zone. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, look at the 4-hour charts. What it is trying to do, it is trying to give you the higher highs are done, and probably even if it has to drop, what it has to, it is trying to do is trade in this zone and hence, as I said, 650, 600, 550, 500. Till here it has got very strong support. Only below 11,500, I will confirm that Nasdaq 100 is bearish. Else still it is above 11,500. One can remain bullish. You can try to buy again and again on the sell there, but be cautious. Do not overbuy and trade with a stop loss. Only trade, enter when you see a reversal. Directional movement is bullish here. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is in green and RSI looking downwards here. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find, see, one observation is previous two candles, lower lows, higher highs. It is done. Now it is trying to come back to this pivot at 11,600, 650, and possibly if it draws below this, it can try to achieve this, but the chances are less, and probably I will expect a reversal from here. It may try to attempt to hit 11,950 and 12,000 levels. There is a probability that it can achieve those levels, so take your trades accordingly. Go long at 11,850. If you see it trading beyond 11,850, stay long, and I'll expect it is going to hit 11,950, 12,000 and 12,100 levels today itself. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, there is going to be a strong support at 11,650 and 11,600. These two levels here to watchful of, and then 11,550, 500. So almost every 50 points till 11,500. You have to be cautious. I will be bearish only if it breaks below 11,500. Else I will expect it to bounce back. So take your trades accordingly. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards, trying to enter into overbought levels. Similarly, the MACD is wide divergent and it is bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to go long at 11,850, and beyond that, definitely one can expect a strong bullish move, which will try to take first target 11,900, 40, 50 zone, and then 12,000. Beyond that, 12,100 close to levels can be expected today itself. On the downside, if you see it trading below 11,650, you can go short. 11,650 is a good resistance, good support zone. Below that, you can expect 11,600, 11,550, 11,500. But remember, it can try to bounce back at any of these levels, because 11,600 is a very strong support. It is a pivot level also. Below 11,600, there is going to be certain bearishness, which will try to bring it till towards 11,550, 500 levels. Till 11,500, I will not confirm that as bearish. So it can bounce back anytime from these levels and give you strong bullish move till towards 12,100 levels. Possibly. So take your trades accordingly and do trade with a stop loss, do trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 is waiting for a breakout, what we have seen on the gold, and it is trying to do the same. See, if you see it trading beyond 31,000, go long this time, and it may try to get the resistance at 31,050, and then beyond that it will achieve 31,200, 250. Beyond that, it will fly strongly on the upside till towards 31,500 levels. If not today, then possibly by tomorrow. So take your trades. It is consolidating right now. We can expect a reversal till the time it trades above 30,000 3800 for the day. Till the time it trades above 3800, one can expect, rather I'll say 3750 also. If it trades above 3750, you can expect it to reverse and possibly rise, else it is going to come back till towards below 3750. My first target is 3600 and then 3500. These two levels you have to be watchful of, and one can expect that it can try to bounce back from any of these levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards. On the 2-hour chart, similarly trying to consolidate. A breakout is expected. If it breaks below 3800, go short, and one can expect 3750, 3600 levels, and then in fact that 3500 levels can also be expected from here. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable and MACD is comfortable. RSI is flat, not indicative of anything. It can take any direction, and it is looking forward to a reversal here. There is a resistance at 31,000 levels, so yes, you can take a long entry at 31,000. Beyond that, 31,050, I told you today, 31,050, very strong resistance there. Beyond that, one can expect it to rise. See, I have told you 3800 and 31,050 you have to be watchful of. Precisely, it has got the resistance at those levels. And if you look at directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is not indicative of anything. RSI not indicative of anything. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, see these two candles, and this is a breakout candle. Probably from here we can expect a red candle. That is what is expected. However, if you see it trading beyond 30,950 levels, you can expect it to rise again till towards 31,050 levels, and beyond that you can expect a little more rise on the upside till towards 31,100, 31,200 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI flat. So indicators on Dow Jones are not indicative of anything much. There is a support at 30,500, very strong support. And yes, you can look at the daily charts. There is a support at 30,800 and 30,750 levels. So yes, only short entry I'll recommend is below 3750. If you see it trading below 3750, go short for 3600, 3500 and 450 levels. Be watchful of this. There are stronger supports there. At the same time, if you see it trading beyond 31,000, go long, and then one can expect 31,200, and in fact this time it can reverse strongly. One can expect 31,500, 600 levels also. So go long at around 30,950 levels itself this time, and you can expect a stronger rise for 31,050 and 31,200. In fact, 31,400 levels can be expected. In fact, 31,500, 600 levels can be expected. I think a bullish move can be expected today, but only if it sustains above 31,050 levels, then and then only. On the downside, if you see it trading below 3750, go short for 3600, and then below 3600 you can expect it to hit 3500. Below 3500 there is going to be bearishness, which might bring it till towards 3300, 200 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. And friends, do not forget to press the bell icon. Do not forget to press the thumbs up button. Please put a comment in the comment box, and this is my support to deliver the trades every day. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.